I've heard it said before that it's the dark threads in the tapestry of our life that make it the most visually rich. There's a real beauty in the tension of dark times because it creates the definition of who we are. It's during these seasons that stories of heroism emerge. This particular season, everything is at risk. Our revenue, our employees, and the stakes are higher than ever. During hardships, people need to be motivated and have hope. When we hear stories of others overcoming obstacles, it inspires us. And if it's coupled with a really clear directive and destination, organizations will change. Your personal stories help communicate how you and your team are uniquely qualified to lead. Employees want to be led by veteran overcomers, to see stories of previous victories. Then, what you could do is collect and retell the stories that you hear your clients and your employees tell. Use that information you collect from them to establish a vision that optimizes today, yet still while building for tomorrow. Companies that can chart a visual course now can get out ahead and sustain a lead in their industry for up to 3 years. Visual stories are kind of like a rally cry that creates a sense of destination and purpose, and it not only grounds the stakeholders into reality, but it mobilizes them towards your vision. So take the time to prepare a presentation well, because communicating value to your analysts and clients right now is way worth your time. And a great presentation can galvanize all the stakeholders and enable them to be able to repeat your vision and spread your story, even if it's virally through the web and devices. And that can amplify your message hundreds of thousands of times. It's a real crazy season, and stakeholders want a hero right now to point them in a clear direction. And the people who are navigating us through these dark seasons become legends. And legendary leaders tell great visual stories and conquer.